Good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss about some important questions, or we can say the back exercise questions. First of all, before discussing the question and answers, I would like to discuss with you all the true and false. So first, true or false is financial control is the function of back office. So this is false. Why? Because this financial control, it is the function of middle office. Second is we have back office does the functioning of executing the client's instructions. Yes, it is true. Whatever instruction is being given by the customer, that is implemented immediately by the back office. Next is fire extinguisher or burglar alarms are used for the security measure of the branch. Yes, this is also true. So we arrange the alarms, we can say near the bank wallet or in the bank branch to safeguard the bank branch from any theft or any fire. Next is clearinghouse facilities, the exchange of cash between the banks. This is false. Why? Because clearinghouse facilitates the exchange of instruments regarding that can be the paper instruments like checks or drafts, etc. Next is houses are arranged by RBI across the country. It is false. Only where the RBI has its office, the clearing houses are managed by RBI. Otherwise, it is managed by the State Bank of India. Next is return clearing is the clearing of honored check. No, false. It is the clearing of dishonored check. Now coming to the answer the following briefly. First is explain the functions of the front office of a bank. Now if we talk about the front office, it is that area where the employees of bank come into direct contact with the customers. So first is to take care of needs of customers is the first function. Then to bring new customers to the bank is the second function. We can say introducing the products that are being sold by the bank is another function of front office. Then we can say generation of revenue is the function of front office, right? So these all are the major functions we can call. Or one more function we can add on is receiving and making phone calls to the customers or anyone. Next is the functions of middle office. So we know that the functions of middle office, they are divided into three parts, that is regulatory compliance, then we have financial control, we have risk management. So whatever is covered in that, we have to do that. It is given in your book. Next is explain the functions of the back office. So there is a list of functions that are given in your book regarding back office, like the executing the instructions of the clients, opening closing of bank accounts, and clearing this checks and all that, issuing the passbooks and all. So this all functions are of back office. Next is what are the security features implemented for a bank wallet. So here I will just show you where the security features are there in a. So see, these are the safety measures for the wallet security. So you have to write all this, that main entrance should be provided with the shutter gates and all. So these all are the functions, right, of a wallet security. See, emergency light should be installed, cashier's cabin has to be far away, then currency chest and all. These all are the functions of a. And you can add on this as well. The wallet should be far as possible. It should not be visible to the general public. This all are the functions of security measures we can call. Next is we have next question, that is difference between clearing and settlement. This is not given in your book, so I'll just tell you the meaning of clearing and settlement. So first of all, clearing means it is doing the paperwork or diligence necessary to accurately complete a payment transaction. Settlement means settlement is the actual movement of funds, right? If we take an example, when a bank A is a bank needs to send large payment to a bank B, bank A can rely on a central bank operated payment system, that means RBI or any associates of SBI. The central bank clears the payment by updating each bank's account to reflect the new transaction, right? And settles by moving actual money from bank A's account to bank B's account within the central bank, that means within the SBI branch. This is all about clearing and settlement. Next is typical structure of a bank branch. We have discussed in the first that bank manager is there, we have the relationship manager, we have the DSA, the agents are there, we have the helpers, we have the tellers, we have the head tellers. These all are the typical structure of a bank branch. Next is we have branch manager's duties as a retail banker. Now retail banker is whom retail banking is done in individuals, right? So wherever the amount is small or the money involved is the amount is very less, we can say individuals are operating their bank accounts or the services of a bank are provided to the individuals, that is a retail banker, right? So as duties of branch manager, we have discussed already that he should be up to date regarding the new products coming in the bank. Then he should also update his employees, he should arrange meetings. These all are the functions of a branch manager or duties of a branch manager. Next is what are the different services channels available to the bank for servicing the customers. So here you can write all the services of a bank that are provided. Every service, primary services like opening of a bank account, we have secondary services, we have general utility services, everything you can add on here. Next is what is the need of for segregation of the different areas. Now the main reason of segregating means separation of areas of a bank, like front office, back office, middle office. So main is employees are able to focus on their own work within that area. So whenever we know that this is the work, this is a job we need to do, an employee particularly focuses on that particular job. So employees, they require special skills for performing that job. So according to their skill, they are given the or they are put into that office. Next is we have what are the functions of clearing house of RBI. So we have the functions of clearing house of RBI as we can mention clearing houses. They say clears and settles transaction relating to paper based instruments like checks, we have drafts, we have the payment orders, etc. Second is it also helps in exchange of instruments. Third is settlement of claims with banks like major banks or with the central banks. So these can be the some of the functions of clearing houses. Next is explain the process of check clearing. So as discussed earlier, we have a diagram, clearing cycle. So this is what you can add on in your answer of clearing houses or check clearing function of the bank, right? So this was all about the discussion of your questions and answers with you all. If you have any other query, you can ask. So for the time being, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.